A beautiful day at the beach. Today is going to be a very good day. I am going to the beach. I love the beach because it is so peaceful. It's the perfect day to go because the weather is great. The bright sun is out in the clear, bright blue sky. There is not a grey cloud in sight. I can't wait to lie in the sizzling sun. I have finally arrived at the beach. The journey was crazy. There was so much traffic. I think everybody had the same idea about going to the beach today. I am now lying on a comfortable sun lounger, taking in the gorgeous heat. I am getting quite hot, and I think now is the best time to take a dip in the sea. I walk across the soft sand and go into the cool and salty sea. The waves are very strong. The waves are rolling in thick and fast. The feeling of the waves hitting me is so refreshing. The water is so clear that I am able to see some colourful fish swimming around. The fish are so cute. I can see a happy family playing in the water nearby. The little boy shouts, "Wow, come and look at this beautiful fish." I want to dive underwater and try to swim gracefully with the fish. I wish I brought my snorkels so that I could see the amazing fish better. Now that I am cool, I get out of the lovely sea and walk across the soft and now hot sand to lay on my comfortable sun lounger. I lay here for a while, taking in the blazing sun. Now, time for one of my favourite parts of the day, lunch. I go to the closest restaurant that I can find. I order a hamburger, fries, and soda. This is one of the best burgers I have ever tasted in my life. The burger is so juicy and tender. The cheese melts so softly, which makes the burger even more delicious. The fries are very crispy, which I love. I really like the grape soda. It's very sweet. I finish my meal so quickly because it's so tasty. I tip the staff because of the great service. I have to get ice cream because it would not be a day at the beach without ice cream. I am going to get vanilla flavoured ice cream because it's the best flavour in the world. The ice cream shop is so chic. This ice cream is so creamy and smooth. The vanilla flavour is very rich. I finish my scrumptious ice cream so quickly. It's been such a wonderful day today at the beach. The waves are getting calmer now. There is a stunning sunset. I think it's best I head home now. I'll be back at this beautiful beach again very soon.